Now, earlier this week, the Chinese authorities authorized a restructuring of the internet giant Alibaba, transforming it into a holding company, and its activities would be divided into 6 subdivisions, each with their own chief executives and their own identities. Alibaba shares soared as much as 16% on the news. Now, overnight, Alibaba's group chief executive, Daniel Zhang, told investors that the breakup will allow its units to become more agile and eventually list on their own. On the same call, Alibaba's chief financial officer, Toby Xu, said the group would continue to evaluate the strategic importance of these companies and decide whether or not to continue to retain control, adding that each company can pursue financing and IPOs as and when they are individually ready. Now, this is a really big departure for the Chinese authorities. When asked for a timeline about the listings, Xu said the changes would come into effect immediately. Let's take a look at what's been happening in the stock overnight in the Hong Kong markets, building on the big gains that we saw on the previous day. After 16% rise, we've got a 1.48% rise today. And the plan seems to make sense to analysts who believe that Alibaba is currently undervalued as a conglomerate. Morgan Stanley says the stock value could double. A breakup will allow investors to each value each individual business division independently. I want to show you the all sessions chart. It trades on the New York Stock Exchange all sessions, which means we will open at 9 o'clock this morning. And we're expecting a little bit of an uplift today at the start, 9 a.m. UK time. Since Chinese authorities started their crackdown on the country's tech sector, Alibaba's market valuation fell tremendously, losing 81.83% of its value from the record highs we saw back on the 27th of October 2020, down to this low point we had on the 24th of October last year. Since then, there has been this moving up. But you can see quite clearly the gains we've seen in the last couple of days. I think this could well continue. All sessions on the US platform at 9 o'clock UK time this morning. For more videos from us here at IGTV, join us on Twitter at IGCom, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.